exposing the unsung heroes behind every call and connection. Today, I'll show you how telecom engineers keep the digital world running, one tower at a time. Ready for a sky-high look? Meet the telecom engineer helmet on, harness secured, gloves ready. Before the climb, every safety check is double-checked because up here, there's no room for error. With each careful step, the engineer inspects antennas, microwave dishes, tightening bolts, and making sure nothing is out of place. Fiber lines, connected with precision, signal strength, checked on a handheld device. Every detail matters for seamless communication. Down at the base, network racks blink with activity, fans humming, a symphony of technology in motion. The engineer connects the laptop, running diagnostics. Every reading ensures your data, your calls, your life stays in sync. A final wide shot. The tower stands tall against the horizon, a silent guardian powering our digital age. Behind every strong connection is a skilled professional and cutting-edge tech working in harmony, so you're always just a click, a call, or a message away. That's the power behind the signal.